everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about hikes, training hikes. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, please click the subscribe button down below there and ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Doesn't mean you have to watch it, just that you get notified and say, hey, here's what he's talking about today. Also, if you can, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me out with YouTube's analytics and gets this message out to more people, so more people are prepared and they're not coming after your preps. All right. So training hikes. Well, I talked a little about exercise, getting out and walking and stuff, and I've already talked a little bit, but I'm talking about putting on your go bag, your bug out bag, whatever you're going to be strapping on your back, and start practicing going out and hiking with it. And don't pick the best, nice spring light day to go out and do it. If it's hot, go out and try it. Make sure you take plenty of water. Don't overexert yourself. This is a training hike. This is not a 50-mile march. If it's in the middle of winter time, practice a little bit. Go out each time. Learn what you need to do to be able to be efficient in your hikes. So if you try going out in the winter and you make it around the block and your feet are getting cold, and you head back in. Don't go around 6 blocks. If by one block you're going around one block, your feet are getting cold, head back in and make a note. I need to get better insulated socks. And if you're out hiking in the summertime and you're getting and you're getting sunburn on your face, like, hey, head back in. Grab a hat if that's what you need, and you can go back out again. Do it, but keep yourself protected. Keep yourself safe while doing your training hikes. The idea is to build up your stamina and your endurance to be able to bug out if you need to, go for long distances for whatever reason it is. If your car breaks down and you need to hike home, you need to be in shape to do it. All right? Okay, so with that, I'd like to remind everybody to stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish like hiking without a hat or going out in the wintertime without the proper coat. Also, stay prepared in everything you do, all right? Also, I have some coming at the end here. I have a couple links here to some other videos you might be interested in. But in the meantime, see you around. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.